Next is example 20. The diagram shows a minor sector OMN, and a sector is like this way, which is produced by two radii and the arc between these two radii, okay, of a circle with center O and radius r centimeters. The perimeter of the circle is 100 centimeter and the area of the sector is a centimeter square. Show that area of the sector is 50 r minus r square, given that r varies from the value of r from for which a is a maximum, and show that a is maximum also. The value of angle MON for this maximum area. The maximum area of the sector is OMN has to find now. Okay, so first of all, for part A, we have to show that this area is equals to 50 r minus r square. So we have seen that the parameter of the sector P and the parameter of the sector has the formula. Which formula? That is 2r plus r theta. How? Because you can see that parameter is basically the length of this OM plus MN plus NO. So this is the radius. This is also the one radius. So it means that these two lengths are equals to 2r, and this MN is basically the arc. And we have seen that the arc length is basically equals to r theta, right? So we can write it as L is equals to r theta. So it means that the parameter will becomes 2r plus r theta. Do you understand?
Teacher, isn't it theta over 360?
Sorry,
Isn't it theta over 360?
theta over 360? No, no. We are just finding the parameter. Parameter is basically the length. So if we are dealing with this arc, we have to find this arc. We have the formula of the arc length, that is L is equals to r theta. L is basically the arc length, this one MN, and r basically the radius, and theta is the angle between two radii. Okay, so this is the formula for the arc length, and now we are finding the parameter. So parameter is basically equals to r plus L plus r. So L is there r theta. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. After that, you can see that what is the parameter here, that the parameter of the sector is given as 100 centimeters. So we just put 100 in place of P. After that, we have to find the value of R. How? This 2R goes on the other side and subtracted from 100, and this theta is as it is, and R goes on the other side and divided by this term. It will becomes theta is equals to 100 minus 2R over r, right? This is the value of theta. After that, the area of the circle and the area of the sector, sorry, area of the sector has the formula, that is 1 over 2 r square theta. So what is r square theta? R square is the radius square and theta is the angle, and the value of theta is here. We just put this value of theta into this equation. It will becomes 1 over 2 r square times 100 minus 2 r over r. This 1 r is cancelled out by this 1 r, and this 2 is cancelled out by this 100, as well as this 2 is cancelled out by this 2. So it will becomes 50 r minus r square. So area will be equals 50 r minus r square. This is your part A. Do you understand or not?
Teacher, I didn't understand how you got area equals to 1 over 2 r squared theta.
This one, this is the formula of the area of a sector. The area of the triangle is basically equals to 1 over 2 r square. uh, what is the area? That is AB square, or you can say that 1 over 2 r square. But if we have the formula for area of sector, that is equals to 1 over 2 r square theta. Okay, this is the formula,
We don't use
understood
part.
formula for the area of the sector.
Okay.
Okay, so after that we have done this part A. Now we have to find the part B. For finding part B, for maximum value of A, we have to find the derivative. So it will becomes 50 minus 2r. So after that we have to put derivative is equals to 0. When we put derivative is equals to 0, this 50 goes on the other side and it will becomes minus 50 is equals to minus 2r. So r is equals to minus 50 over minus 2, so it will becomes 25. Understand or not? So if r is equals to,
Teacher, can you repeat?
yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Teacher, can you repeat?
I'm just telling you that we just take the derivative of this equation. Let's suppose this equation is equation 1 and it will becomes 50r has the derivative 50 and r square has the derivative 2r. So after that we just put derivative is equals to 0. It will becomes 50 minus 2r. 50 minus 2r is equals to 0. So minus 2r is equals to minus 50 and r is equals to minus 50 over minus 2. So r is equals to 25. Understand or not?
Yes.
After finding r, we just put the value of r into this equation. So it will becomes 50 multiplied by r. So but first of all we have to find also the double derivative. So first derivative is this one. If we find the double derivative, it will becomes 50 has the derivative 0 and minus 2r has the derivative minus 2. Now you can see that double derivative is negative. When the double derivative is negative, we are dealing with the maximum point. It means that we have the area maximum. So we just put the value of r into this equation. Which one? This equation area. Okay, so it will becomes 50 times 25, right? And your answer will be minus also 25 square, so it will become 625. This is your area. But in part C he is asking that the value of angle. So for finding the value of angle, we use this equation. In this equation you can see that the radius is required for finding the angle. So we have the radius, that is 25. So we put the value of radius into this angle theta. It will becomes 100 minus 2 times 25, that is 50, over 25, that is also 25. So 100 minus 50, that is 50. 50 over 25, that is 2. It means that angle is 2 and the area of this sector is 625 centimeters square. Do you understand till this step?
Yes.
Any problem in this example?
No.
Okay, good. After that we have the exercise, that is exercise 8, and in this exercise we have some problems that are real life problems which we have to solve by using the previous derivatives, right? And also using the maximum minimum points. Okay, after that we have the practice exam practice chapter 9. In this exam practice we have also total 23 questions, so you have to do some questions from this exercise. uh, this is the summary of this chapter. Okay, do you understand? Do you have any problem?
No.
Okay, so first of all, you have to do this example 20. Secondly, I'll give you some one or two questions from the exercise. Then I'll give you some question from the exam practice. Okay, do it fast.